Hey, this is Arlene. So anyways, I really can't show you a cough, so this is just a quick video just to show you like the targeting to the lungs. It gives you the cough. I call it the GI cough, but that's what happens. It's almost like you're asthmatic, but you're really not. So anyways, I just wanted to just make a quick video. So that's what happens, like, because at least I know for me, I get targeted. I don't want to speak for everybody, but I get targeted pretty, and I'm not saying it like I'm the only one, but I get targeted in the lungs pretty heavily, and especially right now when I was studying. But I know that also means my kidneys, my liver, all my organs. So anyways, I just wanted to share that. And that's about it. And I know other people are getting it, so I'm not like, I'm the only one, pardon me, or anything like that. But I'm just documenting it. Bye.